Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to display upcoming reminders on your iPhone lock screen. The Apple Reminders app is a fantastic tool for managing your tasks. By adding reminders to your iPhone lock screen, you can ensure that you are always on top of your task. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and touch and hold anywhere on your wallpaper to enter the edit mode. This will allow us to customize our lock screen. Next, tap on the customization button to enter customization mode. Now, tap on the lock screen option. This will give us access to various options to personalize our lock screen. You will see an empty widget field marked on the screen. Tap on it to open the widgets menu. This is where we will find the reminders widget. Scroll down to reminders widget and tap on it to select it. Now, tap on the widget to add it to your lock screen. If you use multiple reminders list, you can tap on the widget to choose which list you want to show up. You can also add two widgets and select separate reminders list for each widget to see multiple reminders on your lock screen. Like we showed you in how to display calendar events on your iPhone lock screen video, you can also choose to display the reminders in the date widget at the top. Tap on the date widget and choose the reminders widget option. Once you are happy with your configuration, tap on the done button located in the top right corner. You have successfully enabled the feature to show upcoming reminders on your iPhone lock screen. It's a simple process that can greatly enhance your productivity. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.